Good morning and good afternoon to all of you, depending on when this is being aired. I'm very happy to address the visitors, participants, and exhibitors of the Delhi Book Fair 2020. Not only is the Delhi Book Fair been very well known for a very long time and is a flagship publication event for the reading public and publishers alike. What is very special this time is that the book fair has adapted itself to changing times and has put together this wonderful collection of books, the wonderful combination of publishers and printers, and has such a huge following from visitors, all of it on a virtual platform. I would like to greet all of you from Abuja, the capital of Nigeria, the largest and most populous country of Africa, a very dear friend of India. We have stood by each other through thick and thin, through our colonial struggle, and today, as large developing countries, Nigeria and India share common concerns, common platforms, and common approaches on a number of international issues. But what is special between our people, what binds us together, very interestingly, is the English language and our reading habits. Many of you may not know, but Nigeria finds itself to be a very, very close partner of India, thanks to the common language that we can converse in. Nigeria is also the world champion in Scrabble. It had won the team championship of Scrabble held in Goa last year. Nigeria has produced a number of famous authors who have been recognized the world over with the highest literary awards over the last century. Such great names like Wole Soyinka, Ben Okri, Chinua Achebe, and Chimamanda Adichie are known globally and are reputed all over the world. With so much literary history behind them and so much literary history behind us in India, Nigeria and India, and in fact the larger African reading public and India, have a lot to celebrate together, to come together and experience a unique world of books at this virtual Delhi Book Fair 2020. I'm very happy to see that so many different stakeholders have joined hands, from the Federation of Indian Publishers to the international partners, CAPEXL, to ensure that this book fair reaches out to a wide audience across the globe. It's a very special event where informative and interactive webinars by thought leaders are taking place. Audiences and aficionados from across the globe are participating. A vast collection of books from the global literary world are on display, are being exhibited, and are being bought. And it has emerged as an important marketplace for future trading of books, buying and selling, sharing of knowledge, of this very important habit that in many ways characterizes our civilization. I'm also very happy that the book fair has adapted itself so well to changing times and technology. Nigeria and India have collaborated in the past in many areas, particularly in printing technology, in printing presses, in ensuring that the latest reading and knowledge sharing platforms and technologies are shared. We have a very bright future ahead for this literary tradition under the new norm, under the new technology that is available to all of us today, and most importantly is being increasingly used by young and old alike. It is also noteworthy that both Nigeria and India have large young populations very interested in obtaining knowledge from all corners of the world. And in this context, this event holds a very special significance for both of us. I wish the organizers, the participants, and the audience the best of experiences in this virtual Delhi Book Fair, and I'm sure it will set a new standard for ease of doing literary business together. Thank you.